Now let us go to the next features, which is chamfer. Okay, so you can find chamfer here on the below fillet. Okay, so other than that, you can go to the insert surface. Okay, so you can also select on chamfer here. Okay, so now let's see the chamfer. Okay, so for chamfer, usually the angle used is 45 degree, but we can change dependence on the design that we want to create. Okay, so for example here, there are angle distance, there are also distance, meaning that we can put distance instead of angle. Okay, so we have vertex, so and then we also have offset face and also the face dimension that we can put. Okay, so let's see on the normal type first. Okay, so here is, for example, we use 10 mm with 45 degrees. So what you have to do is just click on the surface, on the edges. Okay, if you can see, it is angled to 45 degree with 10 mm dimension. Okay, so now let's click right. So you will see this is how the chamfer is performed. Now let's say if you want to change to that other dimension. Okay, so I want to try with different angle, and then I want to show you with the things here. For example, here is already come here 30. So okay, let's see 30 degree. Okay, so let's say I choose it here. Okay, 30 degree. Okay, so if you can see here, if we close up, okay, see it's like that. Okay, so it's going to be 30 degree over here. Let's say it is not the right dimension, right direction. Okay, so you can also click on the flip direction, will become like that. Okay, so the 30 degree will be on this section. Okay, so click on here, so you'll get the chamfer. Okay, now let's try another method. Okay, for example here, distance to distance, what will be here is you just have to put the distance. So let's say 5. Okay, 5 mm. Okay, then you click on here, so it will become like that. Okay, the distance, you just put the distance. Okay, so you'll get the chamfer. Okay, see. Now let us look into the other setup for the chamfer. For example, I go for this one. Okay, so this one is the same like the fillet previously. You can choose the distance. For example, you want it to be offset to some distance. Okay, for example, like this one is 20, just started over there. Okay, so and here like 10. Okay, so let's see. So you will see the chamfer will be performed only on this distance, and so this other distance will not be chamfer. Okay, so now we go for the last one, which is the vertex. Okay, vertex is performed on the edges on this. Okay, so previously it's only 2 faces, now it's involved 3 faces. Okay, so here, okay, so let's say you create the chamfer over here, so you can set the distance on this one 10. Let's say this one is the same. Okay, let's see. Okay, so for this distance one, you want it to be 10, and then second one is 5. Okay, third one is 5 also. Okay, so now let's create the chamfer, so it will become like that one. Okay, so that's how the chamfer for vertex. Okay.